1 meter to go. Capture confirmed. Dragon in the grasp of the Canadarm2 robotic arm. Capture confirmed at 4:44 a.m. Central Time, 5:44 a.m. Eastern Time, as Dragon and the International Space Station flew 250 miles off the northwest coast of Australia.